Moving on to other stories now, the giant container ship which has been blocking the Suez Canal in Egypt for more than a day has been partially refloated. Port agent GEC said the 224,000-ton Ever Given ship became stranded on Tuesday after failing to steer due to strong winds. According to the Wall Street Journal, at least 100 vessels have been stuck in the canal where about 30% of all global container traffic passes through each day. It's expected to take a few days for the vessel to be completely freed, which could cause world trade chaos. The Suez Canal Authority announced no marine pollution was caused and no casualties have been reported.